Good morning, students. Welcome to 8th Standard Mathematics, 4th second. Okay. In the last classes, we are discussing about the part first chapters. Today onwards, we are discussing part second chapters. The first chapter of the part second is cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Dear students, remember we are discussing in part 1 like squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. Today we are discussing about cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Dear students, here observe that one is important thing, that is cubes and cube roots. In this chapter, you will able to learn about the followings. The first one is the content of this lesson is introduction, cubes, next some interesting patterns, cubes and their prime factors. Next one is smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Next is cube roots. Next is cube root through a prime factorization method. Last one is cube root of a cube numbers. Cube root of a cube numbers. Cube root of a cube numbers. Dear students, first observe the following things. What are those? Here we are considering that one. Those are the very interesting things. First, today we are discussing about introduction. In the introduction, 1729 is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. Observe that 1729 is the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of two cubes in two different ways. Observe the first one. 1729 is written as 1728 plus 1, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube. That is 12 cube plus 1 cube. 12 cube plus 1 cube. That is the 12 cube is 12 cube plus 1 cube. Next one is 1729 is 1000 plus 729 is equal to 1000 can be written as 10 cube plus 9 cube. 10 cube plus 9 cube. Dear student, observe here 1729 is expressed as 1728 plus 1 is 12 cube plus 1 cube. Like that same number is expressed in different way. 1729 is written as 1000 plus 729 is equal to 10 cube plus 9 cube. Okay, it is the 1729 is the smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two different cubes in two different ways. These are the two different ways. Okay, this is known as R.D. Ramanujan number. This is known as R.D. Ramanujan number. This will called R.D. Ramanujan number. Okay, dear students, next we are discussing very important. Observe that one. 1729 ಇದು ಎರಡು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಘನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ಇದೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. R.D. ರಾಮಾನುಜಮ್ ಅವರ ಕಾರಿನ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇದು. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಸರು 1729, 1729. 1729 ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಘನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. 1728 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 = ಅದನ್ನು 12 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ 1729 1000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 729 ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು 1000ವನ್ನು 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು 729 9 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಘನ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಡಿ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, 12 ಕ್ಯೂಬು, 1 ಕ್ಯೂಬು, 10 ಕ್ಯೂಬು, 9 ಕ್ಯೂಬು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 12 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 12 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು 12 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 12 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 12 ಇಂಟು 12 ಇಂಟು 12 ಅಂತೇಳಿ 3 ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು 3 ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್? Which is called as a cube? Okay, observe here cubes. Okay, a product of a number multiplied by itself. Okay, a product of a number multiplied by itself 3 times is called a cube. Dear students, remember, a number is multiplied itself 3 times. That number is called as a cube. Okay, for example, observe here 1 is called as a cube. Okay, 1 is called cube because 1 is multiplied itself 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1 into, okay, that is equal to 1 cube. This is called 1 is called as a cube number. Similarly same, okay, 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is called as a cube number. 8 is called as a cube number, that is expressed as a 2 cube. Like that, 3 is multiplied itself 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 is called a cube number. Like that, students, what is a cube? Cube is a number that is multiplied a number itself by 3 times, then the product is obtained. The product is called as a cube number. The product is called as a cube number. Okay, like that, similarly observe that one. Okay, 5 is multiplied 3 times. 5 into 5, that is called as a 5 cube. The product of 5 cube is 125. The product 125 is called as a cube of 5. Product 125 is called as a cube of 5. Like the students, observe here another one thing. A product obtained when a number is multiplied itself 3 times, that product is called as a cube of that numbers. Cube of that number. Okay, next to observe here. The cube of odd numbers are odd. Okay, the cube of even numbers are even. The cube of odd numbers are odd. The cube of even numbers are even. Okay, observe here. 1 is a odd number. Okay, 1 is a odd number. The cube of 1 is 1. Therefore, it is also odd number. Like that, 2 is a even number. The cube of 2 is 8. 8 is also even number. Okay, 3 is a odd number. The cube of 3 is 27. 27 is a odd number. Like that, 5 is a odd number. 5 is a odd number. The product is a cube of 5 is 125. This is also odd number. Dear students, here note that point. The cube of odd numbers are odd. The cube of even numbers are even. Observe very interesting thing. The cubes of odd numbers are odd. The cubes of even numbers is even. Okay, next we are learned about some important examples. Okay, for example, 11 cube, that is equal to 1331. 11 is an odd number. 1331 is an odd number. What is a 12 cube? 12 is a even number. the cube of 12 is 1728. 1728 is also even number. Like that, 13 cube is 2197. 13 cube is 2197. Okay, 13 is also odd number. Similarly, 2197 is also odd number. Okay, again 14 cube, that is 2744. 14 is a even number. Like that, 2744 is a even number. Or similarly, say 15 cube, that is for 3375. This is also odd number, even number. Okay, odd number. Okay, next 16 cube, that is equal to 4096. 16 is a even number. Like that, 4096 is also even number. All that one, observe that one. Dear students, observe another one now. Very important table: number, unity place number, cube, unity place of the cube number. Okay, observe that. For example, here consider 1 is a number, the unit place number is also 1. Okay, the cube of 1 is 1, the unit place in a cube number is also 1. Similar to when we cube the 2, then unit place number is also 2. Okay, the cube of 2 is 8, therefore the unit place number is also 8. Observe here, number is 2, in unit place of the cube number is 8. The number is 2, the unit place number in the cube is 8. Like that, again 4 is a number, the unit place number is 4. The cube of 4 is 64. The cube of 4 is 64. Like that, the cube of 4 is 64. Okay, the cube of 4 is 64. Next, the units place number is also 4. Okay, is it completed? A 4 is a number, unit place number is 4, the cube number is 64, in a 64, 4 is the in unity place. Similarly, 5 is the number, the unit place number is also 5, the cube of 5 is 125, the unity place number is 5. Like that, 6 is a number, the unit place is in 6, then this cube of 6 is 216, again in a 216, 6 is a unity place. Like that, 7 is a number. 7 is a number. It is in a unity place is also 7. The cube of 7 is 343. Okay, 3 is a unity place number. Like that, 8 is a number. The unit place number is 8. Again, the cube of 8 is 512. 2 in a unity place. The unit place in a cube number is 2. Okay, again 9 is a number. Again, the unit place number is also 9. The cube of 9 is 729. Okay, again 9 is a cube number. Like that, 10. Okay, the unit place in a 10, the unit place digit is 0. Again, the cube of 10 is 1000. Okay, in a 1000, the unit place is 0. Observe all these patterns. Dear students, what are the numbers and their unit place digits? Okay, next we are discussing about some very interesting patterns. First one is adding consecutive odd numbers. Adding consecutive odd numbers. Very simple, students. What are the consecutive odd numbers? The numbers one after the other odd numbers are called consecutive odd numbers. For example, 1 plus 3, okay, 3 plus 5, again 7 plus 9 plus 11. Like that, all are the consecutive odd numbers. The adding of consecutive odd numbers. Okay, first one consecutive odd number is 1. Therefore 1 cube is 1. Okay, again next two consecutive numbers are 3 plus 5. The sum of 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is a 2 cube. 8 is a 2 cube. Again, next two consecutive odd numbers. Next three consecutive odd numbers are 7 plus 9 plus 11. Dear students, it is a print mistakes. Please corrected it here plus. Okay, you draw plus 9, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. 27 is 3 cube. 27 is 3 cube. Likes to consecutive 4 numbers. The sum of next 4 consecutive numbers are 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Add this one. Okay, 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 4 as placed. Okay, take carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 5 plus 1, 6. 64. It is the cube of 4. It is also mistakes or print mistakes, dear student. You corrected it. It is a 4 cube. It is the 4 cube. Okay, it is the 4 cube. Next to consecutive adding some odd numbers. Next to 5 numbers are 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. These are the next consecutive odd numbers. After the 19, next 21, 23, 25, 27, 29 are the next consecutive numbers. Add these numbers. The sum of these numbers is 125. The sum of 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29, that is equal to 125. Therefore, 125 is cube of 5 cube. 125 is 5 cube. Observe the pattern, students. The first odd number is 1 cube, that is called 1. 1 is 1 cube. Next to sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 8, that is 2 cube. Next to 3 sum of consecutive odd numbers is 27, that is 3 cube. Next to 4 sum of consecutive odd numbers is 64, that is 5 cube. Next to 5 consecutive numbers sum is, that is 125, that is 5 cube. This is the 4 cube. Like that, student, this is the very important interesting pattern of the numbers. Dear students, next very important thing, that is cubes and their prime factors. Cubes and their prime factors. Okay, observe one thing. Okay, observe here. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ, ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಅದರ ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ 29 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ 31 ಈ ಥರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ 1. 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 2 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ, ಇದು 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬರುವಂಥ 2 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 ಮತ್ತು 5. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 27 ಬರ್ತದೆ, 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇವು 11 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ 4 ಆಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 13 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 17 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19. ಇವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 54 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ = ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 21 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 23 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 27 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 29 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ 125. ಇದು ಕೂಡ 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬೇ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾವು 6 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 6 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು 6 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 7 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ 8 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಲೆಸನನ್ನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, observe that each prime factor of a number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of its cube. Next, in the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. Example 1, dear students, observe here. Example 1 is 2433 is a perfect cube. Is 243 is a perfect cube. Is 243 is a perfect cube. Okay, ನಮಗೆ 243 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬೋ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟು 243 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 2ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 3ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3ಇಂದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, 243 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 3. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ 2. Okay, therefore in the above factorization 3 into 3 is remains. Okay, here left 3 into 3 after the grouping 3's in the triplets. Okay, therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ 243 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಮಗೆ 3 ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 3 ಇಂಟು 3 2 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು 3 ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವ, 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತು? therefore 243 is not a perfect cube because only the left 3 into 3. The next question is 392 is a perfect cube? Is 392 is a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Okay, is 392 is a perfect cube? ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 392 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ? ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ 392 ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷ 392 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು 392ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. 392 is written as 392 is written as according to the factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. ಓಕೆ, hence the ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 392 ನಾವು 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 7 ಇಂಟು 7 ಅಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು 3ಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 7 ಇಂಟು 7 ಎರಡೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 7ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ 1188 ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ perfect cube is 44. Make it a perfect cube is 44 and the resulting is a perfect cube. Next 7 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1188 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಸ್ 68,600 is a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number by which 68,600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Okay, the factorization of 68,600 is, the factorization of 68,600 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, here observe that one. 2 into 2 into 2, these 3's are one group. Again 7 into 7 into 7 is a one group. Here only 5 into 5, 2's are left. Okay, therefore it should be perfect cube. We multiply first 5. Okay, in this factorization we find that there is no triplet of 5. 5 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥವು ಮೂರಿಲ್ಲ, ಇರೋವೆಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ? 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 5 ಎನ್ನುವಂಥವು ಮೂರಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5. ಸೊ 68,600 is not a perfect cube. To make it perfect cube, we multiplied by it by 5. Then 68,600 into 5, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, that is equal to 3,43,000, which is a perfect cube. 3,43,000, which is a perfect cube. The product is 68,600 into 5, that is 3,43,000, which is a perfect cube. Okay, dear student, next two problems we will discuss in the next. Very interesting is cube root. Very interesting is cube root. Finding the cube root of, what is the cube root? How we are denoted the symbol? Okay, here what is the cube root? Finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. Okay, finding the cube root is the inverse operation of cube root. The symbol of cube root is like that, root 3 denotes cube root. This is denotes the cube root. For example, okay, that is equal to cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 729 is 9, cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, it is the inverse process of, or inverse operation of finding cube is the cube root. Okay, next, cube root through a prime factorization method. Cube root through prime factorization method. Dear students, observe that one. Find the cube root of 8,000. Find the cube root of 8,000. Okay, it is a prime factorization of 8,000. 8,000 can be written in the prime factors, that is 8,000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, therefore, okay, the cube root of 8,000 is equal to, okay, cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2, again cube root of 2 cube is equal to 2, again cube root of 5 cube is equal to 5. That is, multiply this one, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20. Therefore, the cube root of 8,000 is 20. The cube root of 8,000 is 20. The cube root of 8,000 is 20. Okay, students, next one is find the cube root of 13,824 by prime factorization method. Okay, first 13,824 dividing by simplest or smallest numbers 1 or by 2, that is 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to, okay, 13,824 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, 13,824 is written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Therefore, the cube root of 13,824 is equal to cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. Okay, cube root get cancelled. remaining only 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, the cube root of 13,824 is 24 is 24. Okay, next we will discuss next question. Okay, that will observe your the cube root of a cube numbers we will discuss in the next class. Dear students, you will do the homework. Okay, students, you do the homework for the following questions. The question is like that: which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? First one is 216, second is 128, third one is 1000, next fourth one is 100, next fifth one is 46,656. These are the all homework questions. You do that one. Which are the perfect cubes? Which are the perfect cubes? You observe this one, you do like that. Okay, okay, therefore it is a perfect cube. Okay, this is also perfect cube, like that you do this one. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Dear students, all of you get ready for FA1, the and all of you write the notes after the watching this video. Thank you for one and all. Okay, all of you write notes completely. Okay, thank you.